Hey, what's up? I'm back. This is John, doing some art streaming for a while. Gonna use a new program this time. This one's gonna be True Brilliance 2.0. So this is a piece of art software that allows you to paint with many more colors than the Amiga normally would support. Now I'm running this on an Amiga, emulated Amiga 1200, which can only display like 260 something thousand something colors when using the hold and modify mode. But True Brilliance actually supports like a 24 color backing store for that. So we're gonna try messing around with it to see how well it works as painting software. So I'm not gonna be doing like line drawing in this. I'm gonna try to actually use it to do some painting. I messed around with it a little bit over the weekend. Kind of get the hang of it, so I'm not going through this like totally not knowing what's going on. So we're gonna start this up. It is nice to be having software that has all sorts of nice features, like multiple levels of undo. So where are settings? There we go. So yeah, I set the undo buffer to like, 20 megabytes because I have a ton of RAM in this thing. Auto scroll screens, relative save. So I have up like this basic pose reference. I'm gonna redraw Topaz using that, and we're gonna go for about an hour, see how this goes. So hang out, grab a beverage, and let's draw, or rather paint. One thing that I have noticed is that even with the machine that I have, I'm emulating an Amiga 1200 as closely as I possibly can. So it's like only a 60/20. I guess I could bump it up to be as good as the one, my real one, which would be a lot nicer. But there's definitely aspects of this that are a little slow, but we're just gonna work with that. Additionally, this screen is interlaced. This is like a 320 by 512 screen. I forget. Let's take a look. Where is screens? Here we go. Oh, 640 by 512. Okay. So this is actually like a higher resolution that you get natively on an AGA Amiga without like an external video card or anything like that. So this is as good as it gets, and it's got a 24-bit backing store for the color. So technically, this is as close to like painting in Krita as you could possibly get on the Amiga. And the way that we're going to do this is we're going to start off, we're just going to use the line tool here. We're going to pop that up and get a whole bunch of colors. Where is the color? Here we go. That's not what I want. I want that one. So this one actually gives me like a proper color selector here, kind of, sort of. So we're actually going to change the hue. Now we're just going to pick a blue. I guess that actually changes the register colors. Value. Nice light blue to start, because I'm going to be doing a couple of passes over this. And I don't want to go too wild. And again, multiple levels of undo. So I could draw this, 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 and you can see it's kind of catching up. Doing a fast feedback turned on. So you can see it's catching up there, but look at that, multiple levels of undo. So I can undo multiple mistakes. Not that I ever make mistakes when I'm drawing, but you know, if it comes up. Oh wait, I just noticed a thing. Pen tip. Change that. Is that a right click? Hey. Oh, this might actually make some of my work a little easier. So, bigger brush. Oh, it's nice and jagged. Fills it in properly. Ooh, that's nice. I guess you can also do a variable sized one. Okay. Well, I thought I was gonna have to use an airbrush for a lot of my stuff, but it looks like I can just use this pixel brush. I stick with that. So we're gonna undo this, and it's so slow. All right, I'm just gonna stick with that one pixel brush here. Do that, and F10 will actually like hide everything, and you can use it multiple times, unlike in Disney Presents the Animation Studio. All right, so now let's see, it's gonna give me my lines there, but when I put my hand down on my tablet again, if this is your first time watching one of these videos, I actually have a Galaxy Tab S7 Plus hooked up to an emulated Amiga on my desktop, and I use a piece of software called Weylus in order to be able to cast the Amiga emulation window over to my tablet. So when I'm drawing on my tablet, it's as if I'm using drawing software. So like this is as close as I can get without like hooking up like in my actual physical Amiga, like hooking up an old school drawing tablet to the thing, which is really, really nice. So I'm just gonna do this, create this. I'm just gonna get to work here. Reference art. Light, but it will look less light. Let's go open another pass. must be a limit of the ham representation of this. very interesting working with the hold and modify representation of this. It's strange. Like, I know I'm drawing a darker blue, but it's not coming out that way. It's coming out the gray, just because that's the most efficient way the program can represent that pixel using the Amiga's hold and modify mode. It's very weird to deal with. Hair's getting big. Alright, this should be a good base to start from. So, since I'm planning on painting with this, we're actually going to do like some straight up painting. Some colors that are close to start with. Yeah, just for this. Just take a brush. Go in here and start really like filling in around here. This. I'm just going to paint over all of our lines. Piece by piece, turning this into a finished piece. Let's get a little not much of a digital painter. I can kind of do it. So we'll see how I do. Already this experience is way better than Disney Presents the Animation Studio. Like, everything is smoother. Having that safety net of multiple levels of undo is nice. So I think what I'm going to have to do is, just because I have all these overlapping things, I need to put down some guides. Go away later. Like, this out. Pick color. That color. What an innovation. Whoop. Hitting FSU and keys. We just showed the. Oh wait, it shows there. program just delivers. Now I want to see how fleshing out these ears kind of looks. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it can't be perfect, that's impossible. But it would be pretty nice. If as I paint more and the representation of the art changes and they like mess with the palette to do stuff, if the pixel colors will change then in my preview. Or not, who knows? I don't know how the software works. Be interesting to find out though. I have no idea what background I'm going to put behind this. Maybe let's do like a green. I feel like the Industrious Rabbit green. Lighter. As light as it gets. Saturated. Big brush. Like how responsive that is compared to how Animation Studio was. You can't paint while it's actually doing like an operation. It's going to give you the clock waiting thing. But like, look at that. Very nice. Let's put this thing in like a wallpaper. You know, a wallpaper for your ancient Amiga computer that's in 24-bit. Maybe you've got like a Picasso card or something. However that stuff works. I don't know. I never had the money to get like the high-end video hardware for the Amiga. Did have an Amiga 12 or Amiga 2000 though. Like, got it very, very used. I think I actually got it like well after Commodore had gone away as well. But I didn't own an AGA Amiga until very, very recently. Yeah, we'll do like a cool background. Maybe I'll put the Cool Bun logo behind Topaz here. It was like during the pandemic when I started to like mess with just straight up painting on one layer in Krita. Which I really hadn't done before. I was always like using a lot of layers for safety as opposed to like just YOLOing it and doing one layer. But we're going to do that again. We're just going to use one layer and whatever brushes we get here, which are all the solid pixel brushes. So we'll see how this comes out. It'll be fun. Let's do that. Bam! Get that countdown as it's filling in the lines. Love it. Once I get, ooh, check out those ham artifacts there while I'm painting. Well, it tries to refigure out the correct representation of those pixels. Old photo mode was so fascinating. Never really did much to take full advantage of it when I was on my classic Amigas, my older ones, my 500 and my 2000. But now, I can just like run this. I might have to mess around with it more. Fill that in, that's gonna be close. But we're gonna get a little messy with this anyway. So, discovered there was this thing here called blending modes, draw mode. So, I wanna mess with some of these. Specifically, I wanna mess with like mix. So I'm gonna try picking a different color. Try picking this dark one, and I'm gonna do mix this at 50%. So what does this do? Give me a bigger pixel brush. So mix 50%. Okay. So what I want? Let's try to mix 100%. Okay, that's not what I want. Okay. 0%. Okay. Alright. Smooth. 100. Smooth. Okay. Range. That's certainly not it. Color. I think color is the default. It's just like whatever you paint. But I don't think this does anything, so I can't set color to 50. No. Okay. Good to know. Dither I don't think is what I want. Unless I can do like dither and smooth. So I could like, can I overlap dither? So if I take dither 15% and I paint, and I paint, and I paint, okay. I want to see putting multiple brush strokes over top of it and added like a layer on top. And I know I can do that with brighten and darken. Average smear. Not cycle, not negative. Conform fill the edges, auto center, auto fill the center. I really don't want to use brighten and darken, but I think I'm just gonna have to stick with color. So do that. Go away. Bring up the color palette. If I want to paint the darker edges, we're just gonna have to do. Drop the value down. I have to do this the oldest of fashion ways. That's alright, we are just messing around. It looks like I can use that smear tool to really smooth everything out. Let's try that. Brush. let's see what this smooth mode does. See over here. Alright, yeah, okay, this is what I want. This will work. This is going to make it look blurry, but we can always fix that up. Go into more detail later. Alright, this works. Smooth to the right click and color to the left click. Good. All right. Toggle between those. That works. So I'll be right back, and then we're going to get back to this. Oh, wait. I can do this. Check this, because I can just undo it. Back. Back. Back to art. Look at that. Look at those multiple layers of undo. Lovely. Alright. Let's finish cutting in the rest of the background around Topaz. Then start drawing other stuff. These glasses. Mark those. Dig in there. Whoop. One thing I know the software can't possibly support, but then I totally miss Krita is the ability to continue to draw while draw operations are happening in the background. I realize that is a lot to ask. What am I doing here? I want to switch to that color. And then I want to push away. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that. Painting over most of this, so details don't matter too much. Feels like I'm cheating using software that's dysfunctional on this machine. how does zoom auto? No, I didn't like that. Pick that. We're going to. No, that's not right. Do. Alright, so basic layer stuff painted down there, so let's do what we were doing before and start adding actually, I'll add lighting first. That's what you're quote unquote supposed to do anyway. So let's do that. Color history, but I do have. That's close enough. There we go. It's real subtle to start. Ooh. Oh. been at this for about an hour, so I'm gonna save my work, and then we'll come back to this next week. Buffer. Save. Volumes. Okay. You don't need extensions, but well, I live in the 21st century. The file name gets an extension. RGB. I wonder how big that file's gonna be. Let's find out. Yes. That is a 239 kilobyte file, which would have been huge back in the day. That would have been quarter of a floppy disk. So, yeah, big files, but a lot of pixels. So, and 24-bit RGB, so like full color. I don't know. I'm sure it's compressed somehow. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I'll probably be doing this again next week. We'll do some more work on this painting. All right, take care. Bye.